First question from Mr. Muthu.
Yeah.
What is the first decision we have to take after COVID-19 for improve a job opportunity in automation or any other sector?
You're asking from the student point of view, what you need to do?
Yeah, I think student only asked the question, ma'am, I think.
Yeah, from the student point of view, as I said, you need to learn, you need to figure out, as I said, automation is there to stay. Okay, so see as to what kind of industries, and there are many industries which will really embrace automation that way. Okay, so I think please understand what it is, learn. If there are short courses, join, understand, study, because it will be useful in your career. Wherever you are, whichever industry, automation will give you that, that growth in your career very easily that way. Okay, so please understand that area and learn.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And second question, Dr. Janasegar.
Yeah.
What skill sets are required to get into your firm?
To my firm. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah, see, we have we do consulting, HR consulting, and we also do recruitment and staffing basically. Okay, so the kind of people we take are normally people with a HR and marketing background. Okay, so and of course with understanding of technology. Okay, and people, MBAs join us for consulting and things like that. So I think, yeah, this is what it is as of now. But as I said, whoever's asked me this question, I think whatever job it may be, certain things I think you need to have, as I said. Okay, so creativity, critical thinking, okay, agility, adaptability, flexibility. These are all a given for all jobs today that way. Okay, so these are the things you need to keep acquiring, and wherever, whatever possible, keep these skills alive as such. Specifically, the other skills are whatever I said.
Okay. So, thank you, ma'am. Next question is, robot decrease the job opportunities, ma'am.
Do robots decrease, you're asking? I actually said this when I was talking. Okay, so I don't think so at all. Okay, so as I said, every robot will decrease a job which is very monotonous, but job opportunity for people who have the ability to learn new things will always be there that way. Even today, as I said, see, 3 decades I've been in the recruitment space, 28 years. Okay, any person, a good candidate always has an offer. And I didn't say a candidate has an offer. A good candidate always has an offer. Okay. So I think if you are good in whatever you're doing, you will always get an offer that way. Okay. So I think, I don't really honestly feel robots will change the way things are working. Okay. So as I told you earlier itself, robots are coming not to take away your jobs, to change the way jobs are going to happen. Okay. So I think don't have to worry, but you have to learn.
Okay. SK Sasi asked the question, how will student overcome from overthink and scared about future?
How overcome? Yeah, yes, correct. So you don't have to, as I said, like there are many things, but it is important. First, write down your, this is one weakness. Okay. First, when I started, I talked to you about writing your strengths and weaknesses down. Okay. So sometimes we can't even find out for ourselves what is this care about. Okay. So sit and think, what is this care about? Future of work, as I said, will change. Okay, you need to see as to what are the things you need to do to yourself so that you can manage that future of work. Okay, so it is important. Don't be scared. I mean, sit and think and calmly take decisions, because life is in your hands. I always say, okay, it is like that famous story where, that little boy comes and asks that sage, keeping one small butterfly in his hand, that, he really thinks, oh, I can take the better of that old man. And he thinks like, if he says, he asks that old man, is this butterfly dead or alive? Okay, because he thinks if he says that butterfly is dead, he can make it fly. And if he says, the old man says the butterfly is alive, he can nicely crush it and show that it is dead. And the old man nicely says, whether it's dead or alive is in your hands. Same way, I think life is in your hands. See, people around you can support you, help you, your parents, your teachers, professors, friends, all that is good. But ultimate decisions in life, you need to take for yourself. Okay. And there is so much you can keep adding to yourself, nothing to be scared of. Okay, I think like you read a lot, you find out. Okay, there are a lot of people from very humble beginnings have done so well in life that way. Okay, so that is why I always feel reading helps. Okay, so you understand that there is much more to life. Okay, so don't get scared. There are so many examples where people have started very small and have done exceedingly well in life. Okay, so you can also do it. Definitely, you can do it, but you need to keep adding value to yourself, keep learning new things. If you do that, definitely, as I said, as an eagle, you can definitely soar. Don't have to be scared about life.
Mr. Vignesh asking the next question, ma'am. Ma'am, which industry would you prefer for student working peacefully without drastic changes, even through change happen only in a small amount, which doesn't affect the employee?
Nothing comes very easy. Okay, this peacefully and things works like that. Okay, so I think like as you said, every industry will undergo change, but there are very industry good. As I said, it depends on different industry, what stages of changes it will really undergo, whether it's IT enabled services. Okay, because see, the world is so dynamic that way. Okay, something happens in US today, we are also affected. Something happens in China, we are affected. Okay, so I think it is so interconnected. Okay, it's not like, we've decided this is going to happen, and that will happen. It is not going to be like that. Okay, like how a virus happened. Okay, none of us knew that a virus will happen 3 months back. Okay, but it happened. So I think world is very dynamic that way. So things will keep changing. So what should not change is your perception and your calmness and your stability, your core. Okay, so if you are solid, if you are confident all the time, okay, if you keep adding to yourself, if you have that spirit, if you feel good, whatever changes can happen around you will not disturb you. Okay, you will have the confidence that you will be able to win over it that way. Okay, so I think like as I said earlier, some of the industries definitely even during COVID did well that way. Okay, so there are industries like after COVID, like for instance, if you take World War II, okay, there were two countries which were completely smashed. Okay, one was Japan and one was Germany. Okay, both these countries within 20 years became a superpower. Okay, they rebuilt everything that way. I mean, COVID can do that to India also. We don't know. People are talking about so many companies from China moving to India. Okay, anything can happen in geopolitics that way. Okay, so but we need to be prepared that way. So that happens, something different will happen suddenly, but we need to be prepared that way. Okay, so I think like nothing to feel low about, nothing to also feel that that's it, happily ever after types. That is never there in life. Okay, that can happen only in stories. Okay, and last line they will say they got married and lived happily ever after. Okay, it doesn't happen that way. Okay, because the world is very dynamic, changes will keep happening all the time. But I think you can be happy if you decide to be happy. Okay, so it depends. Good industries are there. You choose whichever industry that way, and it depends on industry, depends on company. Not necessarily that you choose an industry. That industry may be doing well, the company may not be doing well for various other reasons. That way. Okay, so a job is a mix of many things that way. Okay, so you need to choose the right job, right company, right industry. Okay, so I think like that, as you keep moving, you will know in that sense. But even then, I tell students many a times, even if you think you've made a mistake. Okay, many students tell me, I joined this job, but I don't like it. I think I made a mistake. Okay. Doesn't matter. In life, many things keep changing. Be there for 2 years, understand that company, understand that industry, and then move to another company because you had now the experience and you really know what you like, because not every person is the same. Okay, what I like, Elil may not like, or someone else may not like. Okay, so it is very important, that's very individual. Okay, so you can join that role, you can join the company after 2 years, get some experience. Okay, I have an understanding, but when you're there 2 years, sincerely work that. Okay, because the company has given you a job. That way, sincerely work, you do that, you learn, and then move. By the time you would have figured out, okay, what is good for you, which company, which industry. So it doesn't matter. In life, there are so many opportunities. Okay, opportunities will keep knocking, but you need to recognize those opportunities. That way, okay, once that's there, you'll choose the right industry, you'll choose the right company, you will be in the right job, and you will be happy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
The video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates.